Hi everyone, Kelly Dominguez here with the Siren and the Pirate Jewelry, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a pair of identical French hook earrings, and it's going to be real quick and really simple. So I've pre-made two, just so you can see the differences in the shapes that you can get from these. These ones are with copper and these are with silver plated. So here we go. I've pre-cut two pieces of wire at about 3 inches a piece, or 7.5 centimeters. You could go with a little bit less, but I always like to have a little bit more. So we're going to line the two pieces up at one end, and then I'm going to use my bail making pliers, and I typically either use the first smallest or the second to smallest, and grab the pieces at the ends and then form a loop by rolling back. So then you have an identical loop on both sides. Hello, flip it over. And then I typically either use the first largest setting or the second largest setting. And this is where you're going to get a different style or length depending on how close you want your loop to your earlobe. On this one, I'm going to come in about 2 centimeters and then just start to form the wire around the bail. And then from here, because I have nice, easy to work with soft copper wire, I just make a bend, release, grab my cutters, use the flush side, and cut just below that bend. And now I have two identical French hook earrings. The next thing you may want to do is go in and work harden the earring hooks. So I have my steel block and my hammer, and you'll go in and just start to lightly tap on the pieces. So there you have it, a nice identical pair of French hook earrings. As you can see on these, I went and I hammered a little bit more around the loop just for aesthetical purposes. These are all the different, not all the different types of sizes, but a few different styles that you can play with. And what I would recommend doing next is going in with a little metal file and going in and filing the edge of this so that it's nice and soft. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. And be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos and tutorials just like this.